So hey guys and welcome back to my channel 4Frog. So today we are playing Fortnite with Gaming Fury. Link in
Hey
the
guys,
link in the description. I'll put his channel. So please like and subscribe to his channel too. So yeah, so we are playing build mode as you. So don't forget we are playing build mode.
yeah, and we have to win this, okay?
Yeah.
We have to get a victory crown. Should we land over here, first order base?
Nah, there's too much like fighting.
Actually, then where should we land?
Let's land over here. Crime City.
Okay. Oh, that's a center of the map, I think.
Nah, Foxy Floodgate.
Oh yeah,
Foxy Floodgate and Brutal Boxcars.
Bruda, yeah, correct. They removed the vault, yeah.
Let's go here. There's no one landing here.
Okay. Actually, and plus there's a car, so we can just leave after select.
Oh, I found a
Okay.
weapon.
Other people?
Yeah.
There's a guy gliding.
I killed a knockdown.
Oh, nice. Wait, there's a guy over here. Let me kill him. Dead.
Nice.
Okay. Come on. Should we go get the victory crown?
Sure.
It's right over here. Come on, let's go. You also can take. Let's go. Now we can get a victory crown royal.
There's a person in here. There are two people.
Oh, wait, what?
Lol, free elimination.
No way, they were
AFK
crouching.
people, AFK.
Crazy.
That's the first time I've ever seen something like that.
Oh shit, there are people over here. Wait. Wait, I'm coming. Oh, they're coming from here. Okay, be ready.
Where are they?
Dead. One dead. Other one's hiding somewhere.
Oh, here.
Nice. Okay, coming.
Knocked.
Nice. Wait, there's another guy. Dead. Let's go, man.
Let's go.
7 eliminations already. Total.
Wait, come here.
Yeah. Let's go. You want shockwaves?
Yeah.
Okay, they're right here. Come on. Wait, why do we have two rifles? Come on. I literally have a grey shotgun and a green rifle.
Bruh.
Oh wait, that's people. Dead, one dead. Two dead, one team dead.
Dead.
Nice. Kill the other guy.
Dead.
Nice. Come on. Oh, there are people shooting. Out. Dead, one dead. There's another guy.
Dead.
Nice. I think we just wiped 3-4 teams right now.
Yeah. Hey, he had a legendary shotgun. Dang.
Oh, damn.
I have full mats.
Yeah, same here. Wait, I have this lab use. Yeah, take this, okay?
Come here, come here.
Yeah. Let's take a car. Where should we go?
Let's go here.
Okay.
Nana, here.
No. Wait, what? My bad. Come on.
Look out for people.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This is so congested right now.
Wait, get up.
Yeah. Oh shit. Oh my god. I just fell and I'm so low right now. Shit. Is there any medkit right now?
I have a medkit. I have 3
Oh.
medkits.
Can you give me one? Where are you? Wait, I'm coming. Yeah. No, bro, I have to come the other way. Yeah.
And take this.
Okay. You have 7 LMs, right?
I don't know, wait. 1 second. Take this.
Okay. Come on.
Yeah.
Let's take this launch pad and go over Masked Meadows.
Huh?
Okay, yeah. Let's
Uh,
go to the mountain.
let's go here actually. Yeah, Masked Meadows.
Come on. There is shooting happening on that side. Oh, shockwave. Oh, dead, cracked. One is cracked. Ouch, what the hell. Dead, what dead?
Oh! He's low, he's very low.
Okay, yeah. Wait.
Oh! Wait, let me in the box.
Dead. Come on. Where are you? Oh shit, there's another guy.
Yeah.
Are you serious? Dead! Oh my god!
Here,
Where
I'm
are you?
here.
Oh my
1 second,
god.
1 second.
Yeah. Ooh. That was crazy. Come on. Wait, there's a med. No, there's not a med kit over here.
Wait, I'm using this chug jug, then you use it.
Yeah, okay.
Take this.
Yeah. Thanks. Yeah, okay. Come on. Ooh.
Oh, there's
Oh wait, there's a. Kill him, kill him. Oh shit, there's two guys.
dead.
Come on.
Wait, come.
Yeah. Let's just leave this tunnel, bro. There's so many people. Oh wait, there's another guy. Dead. There's so many people in this tunnel. What is happening? Oh wait, there's a guy. Dead. Come on.
1 sec. Let's go. Oh, there's a lightsaber thing.
Come on, let's go.
You have to go on a marathon. You have to go on a marathon.
Yeah.
Oh, we have to. Someone can take that. Or
Come on. Wait, there's a the spaceship thing, bro.
I don't care. Ignore it. I don't care.
Actually. Come on. You can get it.
Should I take it?
Yeah, you take it. I don't have space. Yeah, come on. Wait, there's a guy.
Nice. I'll take it.
Yeah, take it. I'll just see if someone comes.
This is the new purple lightsaber.
Yeah, and it's actually epic, bro. Like,
Yeah.
you can just grab someone and pull him.
Okay, let's go in a truck.
Okay, come on. Did bro just say a truck?
Let's go there.
Yeah. Come on. We can't lose this, okay? We have 21 LM.
Yeah, we can't lose this match.
Actually. Ooh. When there are like 3-4 people, we just camp somewhere, okay?
We just fight Shogun.
Yeah.
Where is it?
Yeah. He just teleports so much, man.
Annoying.
Actually.
Oh, there's one more duo.
Oh shit. Come on. Take the medallion. Can I take the chakra?
Yeah, take.
Oh, plus the purple thing.
Wait. Yeah.
Where's the other duo?
Let's go. The zone is coming. Come. Fast.
Come on. Yeah.
Other
Let's
duo
go.
must be in the circle.
Yeah.
We have to win this. We have to.
Ooh. Oh my god, this is the best match we have ever played, bro.
Yeah. Wait, the medallion is over there. Should we get it? It's right outside the storm, so we can get it.
Yeah, let's get it, let's get it.
It is in the storm, but it's right outside, like in the circle.
Okay, come on, let's go. Oh no, we don't have a car, yeah.
Oh,
I'll just
people are
use the
fighting.
shock.
People are fighting. I don't have a shockwave, bruh.
How are they even fighting? Isn't it a 2v2? Oh wait, I think they're...
I think there's one person of each duo.
Oh wait, they were in the car, they were in the car. 40... Ouch. Ah, nice. Oh wait, kill that guy, Go.
Oh, no!
Oh!
No, bro.
No, bro. That was so good, but
Yeah,
like, look at that stats.
yeah. I
Oh
think we
my
should
God.
play one last match.
Yeah, let's play one more.
Okay, guys. So now we are in the other match.
Yeah.
I think let's see where we can land.
Should we land the last time where we land? Or a different place?
Where did we land? Crime City.
We landed. Yeah, we landed in Crime City.
Let's land at Foxy Floodgate.
Dead, our hometown.
Like, why not? Bro, that's the hood.
Last time, that was the closest match, bro.
Yeah.
Plus the best match.
Bro, we literally came second. Like,
Actually,
okay, let's get off.
come on. This time we have to. Okay, we have to win.
Yeah.
Now let's lock it.
Wait, let's land on the train now. We'll hijack the train.
Okay.
We'll
Where's the
get a
train?
mythic. We'll get a mythic right off the bat.
Yeah, actually, come on. Let's land like the heroes that jump
Tin,
and
tin,
then land
tin,
safely.
tin, 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 tin. You just
Oh.
mark this.
Yeah.
Tin, 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 tin.
Come on.
Tin, 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 tan, 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 tan. Oh, I got a legendary. What?
What?
Wait,
No
take this,
way,
take
just- What? Okay.
this. Legendary
What is-
assault rifle.
No way. Seriously?
Look.
Nah, bro. Crazy. Oh wait, there are people landing. Oh no.
They didn't come.
Yeah, let's go.
Dun, 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 dun. You watch here, I'll watch that.
Yeah. Train escape. Ooh.
Oh,
Oh, there's someone. Okay. Never mind. He just got ignored by the train.
bruh.
Oh,
Oh,
let's
let's go. Wait, take
Nice.
this. Take this.
Oh, again a gold? Bro, this guy needs the break, bro. Why is he shooting me?
Oh,
Let me heal up.
yeah.
You want a big pot?
Nah. I have a big
Okay.
bush bomb.
Oh, we can use it at the last, okay?
Yeah.
Let's just stay on the train at this point.
Yeah, actually. I have a mythic enhanced 820 CFC blaster rifle.
Oh, nah.
Do you have one more medkit?
Yeah, take this. Should I order a supply drop?
Yeah. I'm on the train. What the hell?
No, I'm coming. Stay on the
Oh.
train. Okay, the
Let's-
supply drop's over there, okay? Let me mark it. Oh, wait, should we go for the, this thing? What do you say? Lightsaber. Purple one.
Come.
Come on.
Oh my god, we don't have a car!
I wish we had a car, yeah.
No, I
No.
think no one will come but.
Yeah, cause it's a little far. Getting two purple lightsabers back to back is crazy.
Yeah, bro. Oh, there are people, but just ignore them.
Yeah, there are no people over on this side. On this side, sorry. Come on, go
Purple
take it.
lightsaber. Come
I'll go for the
here.
supply drop, okay?
No, no, you go for this one on the map. This one. Go, go, go fast.
Bet. Oh, they're pushing. Oh shit, there are actual people over there. Dead, dead, one dead. Never mind, I'll just kill him and then go. Oh,
Wait,
he has
just.
a slab juice.
Oh my god, the lightsabers are gone. Forget.
Ah man, leave it. Wait, you come here. Come on. You got the lights.
We
Oh
are.
wait, the red one.
Is
There's
it
a
on
red
the?
one.
Is it on the map?
Yeah, it's on the map.
Where, where?
See, I've marked the location.
Nah, it ain't there. It's wait, went. Remember?
Oh yeah.
Let's go for our supply drop.
Okay. Come on.
I completely forgot.
Okay, there's a car. Wait, I'll just grab the car. Shockwaves.
Oh, there are people fighting here.
Come on, then let's. I'm coming. Okay.
We took our supply drop.
No, we have to kill them now. Come on. No, bro, just dodge. Ah, shit, I'm trapped. I shouldn't have gone over there. Just run at, sorry, 4 crocs.
Dead, dead.
Nice, nice. Come on, then let's kill that other guy. Oh, he's right behind you.
No! Go kill him, go kill him. Yes.
Dead.
Wait, let me take the. Wait, 1 second.
Okay,
Yeah.
I think I have the range. I have the range. Don't move now.
Take a lightsaber. It's right here.
Let's go. Oh, yeah, take this, okay?
Bro.
Oh shit, I didn't. Lol. Take this.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes, sir.
One more big pot right here.
Bro, I was lucky I had the shockwave, or else I was dead.
Yeah. Wait, take this purple shotgun.
Oh, okay, yeah. Come on.
Oh,
I
there
have
are
red
people here, there are
lightsaber.
people here.
There are late. Wait, let me heal them. You kill him.
Dead,
Come on,
dead.
nice
That guy
one.
died.
I'll just finish him. Yeah. Oh wait, there's a nice you stole it.
Lightsaber time. I'm just healing.
Yeah, I'm also healing. Wait, there's a med. No, there's not a med.
I have
here.
a bandage. Over here.
Oh, let's go. At least I'll get 75 health.
Let's go there now. Let's take that guy.
Who? Okay.
Wait, come here first.
Yeah.
Fast, fast, fast. Yeah. Let's take it. Yeah.
Okay. Then I'll just drop the bandage. Nice.
Come here.
Yeah. I'll just come in a second, okay?
Yeah. Guys, we have to win this match. The purple lightsaber is kinda OP. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, come on. Oh, there are people. What the hell?
I killed him. Lol.
Nice.
Lol. Died.
No way, you just killed. Bro, crazy. Nice one.
Wait, there's heals over there.
Yeah.
Take this.
I thought I would be dead, like there was so many people, but then you just destroyed everyone. Let's blast
there are
this
people here.
gas. Oh, okay. Coming.
Dead. Knock.
Nice. There must be another guy.
Guys, we are winning this almost.
Actually, like
Oh, there's a guy
8
over here.
his teammate. Oh my god.
How many kills do you have?
I only have 2 kills.
I have 7 kills.
Whoa. What? But and this time the loot is also good. I have golden and legendary and mythic.
Oh, there are people there.
Wait, I'll just remove the pink marker. Oh, sorry, it's your marker. The people inside?
Yeah, there. So I heard gunshots.
Okay, come on, let's go then.
Oh, there are people there.
Yeah, come on, let's go.
Dead. Knocked.
Nice. I'm going for the with the zip line.
No, don't go yet. Wait.
Okay. And let's even get to the zone, okay? The zone is...
He's low.
Wait, I'll just go from behind now.
Where are you? What?
Bro, bro just shockwaved me. I'm safe.
Wait, the zone is coming, so be safe.
Yeah. I'm going for him, bro. He's such a noob. If I die, it's okay, but I'll just go. Dead. Bro, shockwaved and died at the same time.
Bro, dead.
Let's go. He has this different lightsaber.
Yeah, but he'll not do anything because now that ability.
Oh yeah.
You have another lightsaber. Look
Come
at
on.
this ability. Look at this ability.
No. Oh. And what does this do? Oh shit, zone.
Oh, okay. We are about to win this. Let's go to Shogun.
Bet.
Wait 1 second.
I think this season is little short. It's for like 35 days or something.
Wait, go to that hill.
Heal? Oh, okay.
Wait, come here. Don't go there. Yeah, I'm placing there.
Come on, nice one.
And I need heals.
Wait.
Like for like.
You need heals,
Yeah,
right?
there's mini. There's a mini there. I'm taking that.
Yeah.
The island is coming, so let's go fast.
Let's go.
Before anyone gets the medallion. The island came.
Come on. I'm just using shockwave.
I don't have shockwaves, so.
Oh. Wait. If there's a car over here, it would be so good. Wait, someone ziplined. Is that you?
Forget about that. No, just forget.
Okay.
I think there'll be a car in here. No.
No way. Come on. The medallion's still there.
No one's fighting it.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, there's this thing over here.
Let's go. You go up, I'll come. There's someone shooting, let's just ignore this.
Shogun, you're going down. Bro, he's knocking it.
Oh,
Oh, someone's shooting us.
ignore. Just shoot this guy.
Yeah.
Oh wait, actually someone shooting us from that ouch, I gotta run. No way, I'm dead. You run, I'm telling you, just run. Don't get the medallion, just run.
Yeah.
And yeah, just run somewhere. Don't go over to this island, bro. Shit. Oh shit. The people shooting. Go to a different location, not this reboot one.
They'll not come. Oh my god.
No, there's a guy on that side. Build, yeah. Build and just. Oh my god, please. That guy. Oh. Nice. Oh shit.
No!
Oh.
We placed
No
7th,
way.
yeah. Yeah,
No
so
way,
guys,
bro.
I think that's it for today's video.
Yeah.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video. If you liked and subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Peace out.